Hi guys, Ian Mack here with Laugo Arms USA. We're at SHOT Show 2026 over at booth 7143. We've got a couple of new things out just for this year. And if you are used to our platforms, what we bring to the table, I think a lot of you are going to be pretty happy with this. First and foremost, if you guys remember last year at SHOT Show, we did introduce the Remus, the compact model of our Alien pistol with our PTR system. Just for a quick overview on that guy one more time. Non-reciprocating optic when you fire, just like the Alien we all know and love, but with that push-to-rack system if you are used to racking off of the optic. New for this year, we just took that same gun and mirrored it exactly for our left-handed shooters. We know there's a lot of you out there. You are 13% of the shooting community. Trust us, we have heard you. We wanted to give you guys something that was true left-handed. No more make and do with right-handed slide stops, mag releases, nothing. So a full left-handed model. So the full kit for this guy, which is going to be the pistol, an iron sight top rail, the PTR top rail, a holster, a nice hard case to fit all that, plus a little bit of extras. That's going to run for $6,600. So if you want to take a walk over with me real quick, we're going to go check out our Gemini kit, which is also new for 2026, something a little bit glitzier for this year. Let's head over. So, as I just said, we did introduce that left-handed model, and we thought to ourselves, well, they do pair together beautifully. So the Gemini kit here, as you can see, has a little bit of more shine and polish to it. We've got those tin magazine base plates. This is a matching pair of Remus pistols with custom carbon fiber grip panels. These are going to be one of 50 in the world. For the United States, we'll be getting 30 kits for the United States. This is a machined aluminum display case as well, so you can show it off to your friends after you pick it up. That is going to retail for $30,000 US. And then new for this year as well, we have the Alien Limited Optics kit. If you guys remember the Creator Limited Optics kit, if you're more of a fan of the Glock grip angle, CZ grip angle, this is going to be the one for you. 1911 guys, 2011 guys, we already got you covered. Look up the Creator Limited Optics kit. Those of us who like that Glock grip angle a little bit more, but still want that thumb rest, oversized magazine well, this is going to be the pistol for you. That retails for $4,600. And also brand new for 2026, this magwell will accept our 22-round magazine. So those of you who do own our older pistol with the standard magwell, no more. You can use that 22-round magazine in there. So that's what we got for 2026. Thank you guys so much for walking around with me, taking a walk through our booth. It's been a great time. I hope you all guys have a great day as well. And I hope to see you at the booth soon.